Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is October 19, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. So this is the 30-year anniversary of the 1987 stock market crash. And again, we are seeing the futures down a little bit today. In a little irony, futures right now down about 10 points at 25.50 per contract. So futures sliding off a little bit, but again, it's not a crash or anything along those lines. We are seeing the futures a little bit lower. We usually see them flat to positive each and every day, but today they are down about 10 points. So we'll see what this market gives us. We had some news out of China last night. You can check that out for yourself. But really what we want to get into is all of the earnings that are out today. So again, let's get started here. Futures down about 10 points, but let's get started on the earnings. First one we're going to take a look at is going to be American Express. Ticker symbol is AXP. That is trading at 89.53, closed at 92.08. So pretty good little sell-off for American Express. I think I'm going to have a morning level for this ready. So I'll give that out in the chat room. But I think I have a morning level that I'm seeing for American Express. Should it get there? And we'll keep it on the radar today. But again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. We're going to have lots of setups even before the opening bell even rings today. So again, American Express is in play. They reported earnings. Stock closed at 92.08, now trading at 89.53. That's a good sell-off there. eBay is another one. eBay this morning trading at 36.11. I'm going to have levels ready for eBay today. So again, we'll see how this one plays out. But I already see one really good level for eBay right off the bat here. Again, we'll see if it could crack below this 36 level. Once the opening bell rings, that will put the next level in play. But eBay reported earnings. Again, stock is selling off a little bit. Travelers, TVR, Travelers Insurance, that stock right now trading at 130.05. That's right where it closed. So there's nothing to do on this one. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see if it starts to move around. But there's not a lot to do here. Adobe, ADBE, came out with guidance. They upped their guidance for 2018. The stock is spiking. Closed at 153 yesterday. It is now trading at 164.65. So great move for Adobe. It is overbought. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But right now, strong move higher ahead of the opening bell. That's a pretty solid pop there for Adobe. No levels yet, but we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Verizon. This is getting a little lift after reporting earnings. Stock closed at 48.65. Now trading at 49.69. And again, I'm going to give Verizon the upside bias to around $50.50, but that's it. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. Try to ride it up to that $50.50 level. If you don't own it, leave it alone here. I don't think there's much to do unless we get a nice intraday pattern. Then you could own it up to that 50-50 level. But that's really all the upside that I have penciled into the cards here, around $50.50. Obviously, you could pierce a little bit above that level by a few pennies, but right around there, that should be really the extent of any move up on Verizon. Let's take a look at Unilever. UL is the ticker symbol here. Stock is getting hit pretty hard. Closed at $59.86, now trading at $57.22. Now, this has been a takeover target for quite a while, so we'll see how it plays out. Again, down a couple points from where it closed yesterday, so we'll see. Look at that one once the opening bell rings. Right now, there's really no levels that I'm really eyeing here, but by some chance it gets down to around $52. I do like that area there for Unilever, and I also like the $50 area as well. Let's take a look here at Philip Morris International. This stock is getting hit today. Closed at 112.51. Now trading at 107. I'll have levels ready for you on this one in the intraday stock chat room today. So that'll be posted up before 9 a.m. So again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We've had a great 2017. We're going to look to keep that going today. Let's take a look here at United Airlines. United Airlines right now trading at 66.30, closed at 67.99. So got a little downtick there in United. Again, I still think there's a lot of support around 58.80. I'm not sure we're going to get down there. But in any case, if we did, that's what I would be watching. Also, if you're looking at United today on an intraday basis, this level here is very important. And you have another big level right around the 64.50 level. So again, some big levels to watch right off the opening bat here on United Airlines. Let's take a look at Winnebago. WGO is the ticker symbol here. This is trading at $44.45. You can see it spiked up, then it came all the way back down. Now trying to find a little bit of a home here. Again, this is really right where it closed yesterday. A level I would watch for Winnebago today would be right at 38 bucks. So any pierce of 38 bucks should be pretty good support, at least initially, for a quick day trade, quick scalp. All levels mentioned in this video are day trading levels. Next up, we're going to take a look at SAP. And that is trading at 111.96, up from 111.77. So it had an initial sell-off. Now it's come roaring back, basically to the flat line though. So not much we're going to do with this one here. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at BX. And this is good old Blackstone Group. And what you're going to see here is stock is trading at $33.95, up from $33.49. This is rarely a big mover. I would think somewhere around a $34.10, $34.20 level would probably be its max upside. So again, I'm not seeing much more upside in the cards here on this one, but I wouldn't short it either. So we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see how this plays out. Here's a pretty big downgrade today. Nike getting downgraded today to 51. Now the stock is trading at 51.35, closed at 52.30. The only level that really gets me excited for Nike is really down around 44 bucks. So I don't know or expect it to get down there today, but really when I did the math here, there's really not much to do in Nike at the moment. Let's take a look at Alcoa, ticker symbol AA. And what you'll see here is this closed at 47.75, now trading at 46.50. So a little downtick there. Some support for Alcoa around 42.50 today if it does get there. Keep that level on the radar. So lots of levels to look at that I gave you here. Also lots of levels that we are going to look at in the intraday stock chat room for potential day trades. So again, keep them all on the radar. We'll see how this all plays out. Looking over at the gold market today, we have gold futures up around $3.90. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that's trading at 122.08, up from 121.67 close. Spot gold at the moment trading at $1,287 an ounce. Let's take a look here at gold. Crude oil getting hit a little bit today. Crude is down 85 cents, trading at $51.42 a barrel. So that's a pretty good little haircut for crude oil. That's the December contract. If you take a look here at the USO, you'll see this is trading at $10.33. USO is a good ETF to track the movement in crude oil. So again, USO down today, crude oil down 85 cents today, and we'll see how it all plays out once the opening bell rings. Earnings season is just getting started. If you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. We've had a great trading record in 2017 in the chat room. Come over and see how it is. And it's fully interactive. You get to ask questions throughout the day. And again, you get to get all our trades as well. All right, with that being said, everybody, have a great session, and we will see you on the charts.